All right, we have arrived at the Uncle Nearest Distillery in Shelbyville, Tennessee, where we're going to take a tour. They also have a restaurant here called Humble Baron, which we're going to check out. Right now we're working our way up to the front of the distillery to get our tickets. Looks like there's some cool photo ops here. It's a really beautiful, beautiful place. Kaylee, will you pose there later? You want to do it now? No? I like it. Oh, there's Holly.
Fancy meeting you.
All right, check back in a minute. This is the entrance to the distillery tour area. And we're checking in for our tour. I gotta get my ID out, hang on. This is the inside of the gift shop, waiting on our tour to start. A flight of Uncle Nearest, $15. We got ball caps, we got a cool truck. I wonder where our people is. Y'all means all. Oh, there's our people. All right, we stepped into the Humble Baron. This is the restaurant and bar attached to Nearest Green Distillery. It is the longest bar in the world, 518 feet. After our tour, we're going to come back in here and we're going to get some food and maybe some, liquid refreshment. They have a stage, they got TVs. It's a pretty cool place, man. I'm very excited to be here today. Today we're at Nearest Green Distillery and we're at Humble Baron, which is their restaurant and bar area. It is the longest bar in the world, 518 feet long, and it travels a meandering path all the way around the restaurant. We'll be back here for refreshments after our tour. All right, on our tour, we're not allowed to video. That's the distillery. That's where we're headed. All right, so we ate here at Uncle Nearest at the barbecue place. It was fantastic. Really recommend the grilled cheese on crack. They got pulled pork or smoked sausage. They were fantastic. You can also get beer in here. And in a moment, we'll be heading into the longest bar in the world. Say hi, Kaylee.
Hi.
Say hi, Angie.
Hi, Angie.
All right, we're here at the longest bar in the world, 518 feet. We finished our tour, had some barbecue at the barbecue place. And now we are going to enjoy some drinks. I got the Humble Baron 1856 Old Fashioned, and it is delicious.